Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now. Verify the check valve arrow aligns with flow toward the filter or pump because reverse installs allow backflow and equipment damage. Choose a valve that matches your tubing diameter, usually 1/2 for small setups, and cut the hose squarely so it seats fully. Once done, push the tubing onto the inlet until it bottoms. Make sure the fit is snug to prevent air pockets. Prime the line if needed, then clamp temporarily to confirm orientation before final securing. You now secure and test the assembled valve. Fasten the hose with a clamp or zip tie, but avoid crushing the tubing. A snug fit prevents leaks without restricting flow. Once installed, position the valve horizontally to help prevent debris accumulation and to maintain reliable seating of the internal seal. Start the pump and observe flow direction and steady output. If you see bubbles or intermittent flow, gently tap the valve and bleed the line. Make sure to check fittings again and tighten just enough to stop leaks. You finish by running the system for at least 24 hours to confirm the check valve prevents backflow and maintains consistent output. This protects pumps and prevents aquarium loss during power outages. Once stable, schedule periodic checks and flush the valve with aquarium-safe water to remove detritus. If you encounter gurgling, restricted flow, or continued backflow, first make sure the arrow points downstream. Then remove and inspect for trapped debris or a failed internal seal. Replace the valve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.